Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Celesta Matthews, and I'm from Karunya University. Today, I'm going to show you how can we implement stack using an array. So basically, just a minute. Okay, a stack follows this principle, that is LIFO, last in and first out. So in this, suppose this is an array and you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stored in this array. So what actually happens is deletion takes place from the place where it is inserted. So and it is very different in queue also. So I'll be showing you how can we do the same. Okay, this is my question. Demonstrate the working of a stack of size n using an array. The elements of the stack may be assumed to be of type integer. The operations to be supported are push, pop, and display. The program should print appropriate messages for stack overflow and stack underflow. Okay, we'll begin with it. First thing is we are including a header file, that is IOStream. Now we are defining a user defined data type, that is size of, and its value is 5. That is, wherever you use size of, you'll get the value 5. I have used 3 functions over here: push, pop and display, and these will be performing each of their operations. That is, if I want to perform push operation, I'll call the first function, pop for the second function, and display for the third one. And next I have displayed a global variable, that is top is equal to -1. Now we'll just enter into the main method. Here what we will have is the main method. You have ch, item and stack. These are the variables. Stack is the variable in which you'll be storing every value. Now I am initializing each and every element into the array stack, and each and every element as 0 into the stack. Now this repeat, this is actually a label. So for repeatedly showing the menu again and again, I'm using the variable repeat, and down I have written go to statement also. So this is my menu, that is 1 stands for push, 2 stands for pop, and 3 stands for display, and the fourth one is exit. Okay. Now I have if ch, just a minute. Okay, if ch is equal to 1, then I'll call the first function, that is to push. Otherwise, for the second operation I'll call pop, third operation display, and fourth operation I'll just write end of the program, and then I'll move out. Now see, here is my go to statement and go to repeat, and above I have mentioned label also. Now I'll show you what I have written in my push function. Okay, here I'm taking a value, that is int item, that is the number which I have to push into the stack, and the other one is int stack, this is the array, and remember that arrays are always passed by reference. Okay, now first condition I'm checking is for stack overflow, because if already the stack is filled, no more values can be inserted into the stack. So I have used the condition top is equal to size of -1, that is 5 minus 1. Here you can change the value of size of also, that depends. Now otherwise, if it is not overflowing, I have written this else part, enter element to push, that is I'm taking and storing it into item, and the other one, that is top is equal to top plus 1. Stack at top, that is stack at the topmost value. Now top will be always incremented. Earlier I have declared the top is equal to -1. So when this loop runs, it will become, the value of top will become 0. So stack at 0, that is the first element, and item will be stored into that position. Similarly, whenever you call this function, each and every value will be pushed into the stack. Now next function is my pop function. Here pop, I have taken the input as int item and int stack at 5. Now if top is equal to -1, that is if there is no value inside the stack. then the program will print stack underflow. Otherwise, I'm copying the value, that is stack at top is equal to item. I'm copying it into item. Now if I want to use this value anywhere else, I can just return this value item. I've not done it over here. Now stack at top is equal to 0. So if I'm copying that value into item, then I don't need that value in the stack. So I'm putting the value 0 in place of that. That is, I'm rewriting the value. Now see out, the number is item and top is equal to top minus 1. Now so the value of top will keep on decreasing, and when it reaches the end it will become minus 1, and so it will display stack underflow. Now next one is to display. Display actually means popping out each and every element all at once, not one by one. So here I've done the same. I've taken the stack as input. I have called it, and here the stack is, and I'm displaying each and every element of the stack. Now I'll show you how it works. Yeah, this is my menu. 1 is for push, 2 is for pop, 3 is for display, and 4 for exit. I'll show you how push works first. So I've entered 1. Enter an element to push. I'll enter suppose 8. Okay, now again push 9, push 7. Okay, I've entered 3 elements, but actually the size of the array is 5. Now I'll show you how to pop it out. If I press 2, it will pop. See, the first element, that is 7, the last entered element is coming out first. So that is LIFO. Now if you want me to pop it out again, see, the element is 9. Now I'll just push in some more elements, 4 and 3. Oh, sorry. Let's just push for 1, 4, 1 and 3. Okay, now I'll show you how it displays it. See, this is the way how it is stored inside the stack. That's it. I hope you all understood it. Thank you.